In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a transaction in Zoho Books. Whether you're trying to reverse a payment that was entered by mistake or simply need to correct an error, I'll guide you through the process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account and navigate to either the Purchases or Sales module. Which one you choose will depend on the type of transaction you need to undo. If you're dealing with a payment that the company has made, go to the Purchases module. Conversely, if it's a payment that the company has received, you'll want to head over to Sales. This division is designed to keep things organized, so choosing the correct module ensures you're on the right track from the get-go. Once you're in the appropriate module, your next move is to select either Payments Made or Payments Received, depending on the specifics of your transaction. This step helps you filter out unnecessary information and focuses on just the payments you need to address, keeping your workflow clean and efficient. Now, here's where we dive into the specifics. You'll need to locate the exact payment entry you wish to reverse. Take your time with this step, as it's crucial to ensure that you're selecting the correct transaction. Skimming through can lead to selecting the wrong entry, so be attentive here. Once you've found the payment in question, go ahead and open that entry. This step often involves just a simple click, yet it's pivotal because it allows you to access all the necessary details and options related to the transaction. Within the payment entry, look for the option labeled More. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. The key here is to either void or delete the transaction as needed. If you see the void option, it typically implies that the action is reversible, allowing the payment to be canceled without deleting the actual transaction record. On the other hand, selecting delete will completely remove the entry from your records. The choice between voiding and deleting hinges on your specific needs and company policies, so consider which action aligns best. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to undo a transaction in Zoho Books. This method ensures that your financial records remain accurate and error-free, which is vital for maintaining your accounting integrity. As you become more comfortable navigating these modules and options, the process will feel increasingly intuitive. Thanks for joining me today, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out Zoho's support resources or leave a comment. Happy accounting!